how it will fly.
Yeah, here is Mpenya Zipline, located in Mampong, Ashanti region, and I had the opportunity to visit there and to look at how drones are fly and then distribute, you know, medical equipments and then medicines. Yeah, the drones are not specifically for distribution medicine or medical equipments, and also anything about emergency, that is, even the veterinary officers can use it, and then the agricultural people can use it to distribute something emergency to a different location. That is it. It's not just specifically for medicine and then medical equipment. We have only 6 centers in Ghana currently, and here is one, that is the Mampong Center, that is Mpenya Zipline Center. Very soon the drone will fly. The medicine is inside, so it is going to distribute the medicine to a hospital at a different location. After that, it will come back again. So they are setting up the drone to fly. That is it. That is how drones are fly to different locations. At this stage, the battery was down,
They already ran.
so the machine alerted them to change the battery
The
so
battery is
that they can fly. So you see, they have removed the battery. They are sending it into the engine room. After that,
so they have to
they
go and
will
change.
come and put in another battery which is fully charged so that the drone can operate very well. So very soon it will fly.
Uh,
Even before you are allowed to enter this place, you have to even wear a protective glass before you can even come to this place.
I realize that they see them.
Otherwise, you won't allow to be here. So all of us who were here
Can't go and
was forced to.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so if you get there, you have to obey their rules and regulation so that everything will be on point, and you too, you will be safe here. You cannot just go there and be doing what you want. Yeah, they have inspected the battery and then going through the necessary process so that the drone can fly and distribute whatever that they have insected in. That is how it is. Yeah. Here is Mampong Zipline Center. That is in Penya. Yeah. I know they name it after someone. That is why in Penya. Yeah, very soon the drone will be flying. Yeah, it is time.
Okay.